Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and lose weight by healing their gut and nourishing their body with superfoods. On this channel, you will get simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is you won't feel overwhelmed or deprived. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make fermented kimchi. As you know, I am a big fan of fermented foods for gut health. And fermented kimchi is kind of like a Korean sauerkraut. It is made with cabbage and a lot of seasoning that make it more interesting. I will leave a link to the full recipe in the description below, but for now, just follow me along in this video.
Everyone has different opinions about the right way to make kimchi. But you will find that most recipes use Napa cabbage. In this case, I simply used green cabbage, and that works just fine. Next, you will need ginger. And if you're like me, you love the taste of ginger, be generous with the amount of ginger. I like to use a large thumb. Next, you will need 5 cloves of garlic. Some radishes, you could use daikon radishes, 1 or 2 tablespoons of salt, some green onions, and lastly, some red pepper flakes. And again, you can use traditional Korean red pepper flakes. Okay, so let's get to work. You can use your food processor to chop pretty much everything. Put all your processed ingredients in a large bowl. Add your salt, your red pepper flakes, and then start pounding your kimchi. I actually purchased the Mason Tops kit. You can look it up if you're curious. And I used to pound my cabbage with a rolling pin. I have to say, this works a lot better. You will have to pound your cabbage for a few minutes. You will notice that it will start releasing its juices. I find that depending on how fresh the cabbage was, sometimes you don't get a whole lot of liquid, and you can always add a little bit of water after you put your kimchi in the jars. You will also notice that your vegetables reduce in size a lot, maybe not quite half, but almost. You can do a taste test to decide if you want to add more salt or more of any of the other seasonings. Now, as you can see, this particular cabbage was pretty dry, but I know my mixture is ready because I've been pounding for quite a while, and also my vegetables have reduced in size quite a lot. Now I am going to fill up my 2 jars. I like using glass weights over my sauerkraut or kimchi in this case. And these are my Mason Tops. They all came together. But for many years, I did not use any of that special equipment, and you do not have to buy this. You can just use your regular Mason jar tops. I have heard of people letting their vegetables ferment from anywhere between 3 days to 3 weeks. So it really depends on you and what kind of flavor you're looking for. The longer you let it ferment, the stronger it's going to taste.
Okay, so now the kimchi has been fermenting for a week. And I removed the weight. I love it. If you love to learn how to make fermented foods, I'm going to link a playlist so you can check it out. There are so many things that you can make that will feed your good gut bacteria. If you have any questions about how to make fermented kimchi, comment below. Thank you for watching.